Hello there, this is Vaishnavi from Ecom Developers. In this video, we will be covering the basic steps of user interface, which are how a customer can log in and how a customer can place and track their orders. Later, we will look into the admin panel. This here is the first page that appears on the website. Now, we explore the website part by part. This logo here is the market logo, which can be customized by you and can be given a name. This is the search bar, and when you click on it, you will be able to view a suggestion box. As you can see, the website accommodates its size and does not cover the page. This is the home icon. Next to it is the cart icon. There is an option to sign up or sign in for this website, which will be explored later. These are the banners which contain images of the product. These can be customized by you with images of other products. These banners help you redirect to the product directly without having to search for it. It also displays all the products that are on sale. This here is a trending banner, which you can see contains products that are highly viewed. Next to it is a small tour banner where you can include products as per your desire. This is the category section under which products can be viewed. These products are preloaded. You can see that category 2 has very few products. More will be included with time. If you move the cursor to the product, you will be able to view 3 icons which give you options to add to cart, buy now, and view more. There is one line description about the product that is visible as well. At the bottom of the page, on the left corner, you can find an option Follow Me, which shows the various social media accounts of our website. This is the page number here. You can go to the next page and view the remaining products. Go to the product and click on Add to Cart. The item will now be available in the cart. Next, click on the option of Buy Now. You will see that the page has redirected you to the items in the cart, and the side is the option to sign up or sign in. Click on the option View Details. You will be able to find the description about the product, the size, color, shape, name, etc. You can also view a video on the product. Below the product, you can see 2 options, Buy Now and Add to Cart. At the bottom of the page, you can see Related Products. This will help you view the products which belong to the same category. Now, click on the cart icon. You can see that you can increase the number of quantities of the product by clicking on plus sign and decrease the quantity by clicking on minus sign. Click on Sign Up option and enter valid details. You will be able to remove items which you do not wish to purchase. Now, let's sign in. Fill up all the details on the page and click on Checkout option. This option will only appear once you sign in. Once you click on Checkout, you will be able to view the options to pay. Let's choose the option to pay by card. The details of the card entered here are for dummy purpose only. There is limited influx of cash in through it and hence will help us completing the process. But when you choose this option, it will ask for OTP and other credentials. Now you can see that a window with payment successful appears. You can now see that there is another icon which has appeared, which is the track order icon. When you click on it, you can view the details of the product, the price, product name, date of order. It also displays the status of the order. You can see that it's still underplaced. Let's sign out of this account and log into the admin account. The admin login appears and the details need to be entered. Once logged in, you can view the control panel which shows the total sales, total amount, total profit, and all users. On the other side of the page, you have options to update banner, create category, manage categories, create product, and manage order. Below it is the admin profile. Click on Update Banner and you will be able to view the dimensions of each banner on the website. These cannot be altered. You can also view the name of the banner. For example, carousel image, carousel sidebar image. Next, click on panel icon and it will redirect you to the first page, which is admin home page. Now, click on Create Category. Enter category 3 and click on Create Category. You can view an admin home icon. Click on that to return to the home page. Now, click on Manage Category. You will be able to view all the categories that have been created on the website. You have the option to update it or to delete it. Delete category 3. Click on Update next to category 2. You can now change its name. Go to admin homepage and click on option Create Product. You will have to select a picture which exists in your gallery and upload it. Next, enter the name of the product. Now, fill up the details, that is, the description part. Keep in mind that your first point of description will be the one that appears first when you move the cursor on the product. Let's see how. When you move the cursor, you can see that the description created for test only appears. Now, enter other points of description and to enter into the second line, hold Shift and enter. Now, enter the price of the product and choose the category you want the product in. Add a link and fill the remaining credentials. We go back to the admin homepage and click on the option of Manage Products. In this, you will be able to view the stock of the product, update or delete option of the product, and the number of products that have been sold in each category. Go to admin's homepage and click on Manage Orders. You will be able to view the number of orders that have been placed, the price of the product, the address of the customer, date of the order placed, product name and transaction ID, phone number, and the username of the customer. You can update the status of the product as in when there is a progress. Once you change the option from your end, the customer will be able to view the updated version. Let's choose Shipped option and check. Click on Shipped and sign out from the admin account. Now, we sign in through the customer account and click on Track Order icon. You can now see that the tracking is updated to Shipped. So, you must be wondering, why should you choose this site over other sites? Here is why. This website can be purchased at a cost of Rs 20,000. The followers in our accounts are fake numbered, which is a policy adapted by all upcoming companies. Do not rely on just this one factor to ignore the site. Hope this video was informative. Thank you.